Quanzhou RX Machinery Company Limited is located in Jinjiang City, Fujian Province, which is known as Golden Triangle of Southern Fujian, focused on manufacturing disposable hygiene product machinery like baby diaper machine, adult diaper machine, sanitary napkin machine, and other pad machine, etc. 10 sets CNC processing machines, 40 other processing machines. 15 years of experience in technical team, 150 employees, Italian and Japanese technology research and development team, 20,000 square meters factory area, production and processing workshop, baby pulled-up diaper machine, baby waistband diaper machine. Component partner Mitsubishi, Siemens, SIG, Schneider, NSK, SKF, BST, FIFE, SMC Omron. From parts processing to the equipment assembly, machine test, complete machine quality control, after-sales service. We have an efficient, stable, and meticulous production line. Our equipment can produce 600 to 900 PCS per minute, with a stable and efficient production capacity, full servo control, stable performance. The cumulative annual output of 217 million pieces of sanitary supplies can be reached. 20 years of experience in mechanical manufacturing, first-class products, and a lifelong after-sales service are the principles and soul of our factory.